Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to draw a circle in AutoCAD. So let's get started. Circle command is in draw panel. You can see this the home tab, and under this is a draw panel, and here you can see this the option for circle. Now from here I can just activate circle, or I can use shortcut as C to activate circle. So let me just click here on this drop down arrow, and you can see some various option for circle. Okay, we can just create a circle through center radius method, center diameter method, and a 2 point, 3 point, tangent radius method, and tangent and tangent method. So we will look about all of these options one by one. Let's see how to just create a circle through center radius method. I will click here to activate this command, and for example I want to just create a circle through the mid of this line, and here you can see it is not snapping as midpoint. You can see it is going to snap as endpoint here, but it is not showing as midpoint. So in order to just show midpoint, all you need to do is go here in snap option, right click, and from here you can check your desired option. So I will just cover in detail regarding these options in next tutorials, but right now I need midpoint snap, so I will click here to check this one. Okay, so this is checked right now, and I will close this one. Again I want to just see midpoint, and you can see here it is snapping in midpoint as well. So I want to create here a circle, so I will click here. Okay, and you can see here it is just creating around this midpoint. Okay, now it is asking about, here you can see at command line specify radius of the circle. So we have to just give here a radius of a circle. So let's just give a radius here as 150 millimeter. Okay, and I will hit enter. So this was the center radius method. Again I will just click on this drop down arrow, and there is one more option, that is center diameter. Now instead of radius we have to just put a diameter here. So I will click here, and I will go here in midpoint, and I want to just give here a diameter of, sorry, 400 millimeter. Okay, so I will hit enter. Now you can see here it is going to just diameter of 400 millimeter. So this was radius and diameter option. Let me just delete this one from here, and I will go again here, and you can just put diameter here as well in this option, center radius method as well. So I will click to activate this one. I will click here, and at command line you can see here it is prompting as specify radius of circle, and with this there is one more option, that is diameter option. So either you can click here to activate this one, or you can just enter D for diameter, and I will hit enter. Now you can specify diameter, as you can see specify diameter of circle. So let me just give a value here as 400 millimeter, and I will hit enter. Now this was diameter option. Again I will just delete this one, and let me just go here in circle option, and you can see here this is 2 point option, and before this I want to delete this one as well. Now I want to just click here, and I will go here in 2 point option. So I will click to activate this one, and now we have to just give 2 points to create a circle. Okay, so it could be any point, for example this point and this point. I want to just create around these 2 points, so I will just give this point as a first point and this point as a second point. So this was what, 2 point option. Again I want to delete this one, and again I will go here in circle option, and there is one more option, that is 3 points. So you can just create a circle on 3 point as well. So I will click to activate this one. Now I will just give this point as first point, and this as second point, and I can give any of the point as third point. So I want to just give this point as a third point. So this is 3p option. Let me just delete this one. Again I want to just see, this is tangent and radius option. So it's mean two tangent and one radius, we have to give here a value. Okay, so I will click to activate this one, and first we have to just give first tangent, then second, and then we will just give a radius. So I want to just give this as a first tangent, this as the second tangent, and now we have to just specify a radius. So let's just give a radius of 230 millimeter, and I will hit enter. Now you can see here it is tangent on this line as well as this line. Okay, so this is what tangent, tangent, and radius option. Let me just delete this one from here with the erase command, E, and then enter. Then again I will go here in circle option, and the last option here is tangent, tangent, and tangent. So we can just give tangent point here. First tangent as this line, second tangent as this line, and third tangent as this line. So you can see here this circle has three tangent here, and these was around six option to draw a circle. One is center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent radius, and tangent, tangent, and tangent option. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.